Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. Alright, let's begin. First, close the Roblox app on your phone. Instead of using the app, open a browser like Chrome or Safari and go to roblox.com. Once the website loads, tap on Continue in Browser. You may be asked to sign in, so enter your login details or use Face ID if it's set up. After logging in, tap the Roblox icon at the top of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and select Redeem Roblox Codes. This will take you to the code redemption page. Here, you'll see a field where you can enter your promo code. Type in the code carefully. It must match exactly, including capital letters. Once entered, check the box to confirm you're not a robot, then tap on the Redeem button. If the code is valid, it will apply the item or Robux to your account instantly. Promo codes are often time-limited or region-specific, so make sure the code is still active. If it doesn't work, double-check the spelling or try another code. So that's basically how you can enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.